In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Loop page. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, you should be able to see and hear this page. So for this, proceed to click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account. Now, if you already have an account on your Microsoft, just proceed to click onto the Sign In option that will appear right here. So if you already have an account on your OneDrive or Microsoft Word, you can proceed to use that since all of Microsoft applications are interconnected to each other. So let's proceed to head over to our actual Microsoft Loop. I have in here three pages named Database, Kanban Board, as well as Project Planning. So I want to delete a Microsoft Loop page. To do so, just choose right here the page that you want. I'll head over and choose right here my Project Planning. Now when you hover to it, you can see that we have these three dots. Click on this. Then after that, you can see this option. Just proceed to scroll down. And in here, you can see the delete option. So proceed to click on this delete. And after that, this will be deleted. Now, if you want to recover the deleted Microsoft Loop page, what you can do instead is to just click onto this recycle bin that we have right here. Now, we have in here this recycle bins that we have. So for this case, just proceed to remove or recover it. You can click on these three dots and you can either restore it, or if you want to delete it permanently, proceed to click on the delete permanently option that we have right here. After that, this will be deleted and you can find it right here. If you want to recover it, click on three dots and recover it. On my case, let me just delete all. So click on empty all and delete. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything that you need on Microsoft Loop. Thank you so much for watching.